What's up, guys? It's Surgeon Saucy Stevenator here for another saucy video. Today, I'll be teaching you how to make an automatic diamond farm. The first step is place the crafting table in the ground. Then, take your redstone and put it right here. Then, take a redstone comparator and put it in between. I'll put it the wrong way, so put it like that. Then, put a dispenser right there. I put it the wrong way, so there. And then take a lever, then turn it on. But see, that doesn't work. So you gotta do that to make it work. And then you'll get you need to grab 18 blocks of diamonds. Go into the dispenser and put in the diamonds. Then come over here and turn the lever on. See, it's dispensing the diamonds onto the crafting table. I needed 18 blocks of diamonds. What you'll need next is a hopper. Put the hopper under the crafting table and put a chest next to the hopper. The hopper may not be going into the chest. See? It's not going into the chest at the moment. So now you got to put the hopper on the chest by crouching. And then see? Now, you take your 18 blocks of diamonds and put it in the dispenser. Then, you turn the lever and out go the diamonds. They're going onto the crafting table and then into the hopper. This makes it into just normal diamonds. And there you go. Now look in the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost 5 stacks of diamonds just from 18 blocks. Thanks for watching.